really appreciate this opportunity to meet with other professionals. For me as a contractor, it was very useful to discuss current topics with owners and to share their views on the way we execute projects, in particular the contractual delivery framework, to see the perspective from the owner and also fellow contractors. I think this is a unique opportunity to exchange with peers in outside a work context where there could be it could be difficult to discuss with a client, for example, because it is your client. Here you discuss with owners that are not your clients, so you can have very open discussions, and this is very fruitful. When an investor decides to invest in a particular project, he needs to be secured that the project will yield the revenues he is expecting, and for this he needs the contractor to deliver on time and at the predicted cost. And to make sure this happens, there are a number of demands on the execution contractor to achieve that. And these types of conferences enable to highlight the key issues on which to focus. I would say we are having a crew change, you know, the famous crew change, where we are senior engineers have retired, some of them. So one of the challenges is to replace the crew that has left and to bring young junior engineers up to speed in this project execution world, in particular in oil and gas, which might not be very attractive for young graduates because, you know, of all the bad reputation we have because we are a polluter and so on. So I think one of the challenge is actually skills, to attract and then to develop, to grow people with technical skills in this industry, which requires a lot of technical skills, because an engineer in oil and gas, at least what I know about, before you can be the master of your subject, you need to have spent something like 15-20 years in the field before you are an expert, which is a particularity of the oil and gas industry. I think this is one of the challenge is to bring younger people up to speed.